Hi folks, Doug here. LS Car Customs, where we're live on location in the messiest garage in upstate New York. Thanks for coming back. My buddy White Toes is with me tonight. Nomad's on the prowl somewhere, but White Toes is enjoying the heat. Thanks everybody who's returning once again for about the 800th time, it seems, probably. If you're new here, we're building a Nomad from kind of scratch. Once again, I'll refer you to episode 1 if you want to see what we started with. It's a lot easier than rehashing it for everybody who already knows what's going on. Thanks to everybody liking and commenting and keeping us afloat, and I'll keep trying to catch up, but we're doing alright. So where we left off last night, we were going to start doing some welding, and we didn't want to start welding last night because it was too close to quitting time, and we didn't want to leave any embers smoldering out here to burn down our precious cars. So I'll get some work lined up and I'll bring you along, and we'll see how far we can get before we run out of gas again. Right, buddy? Say hi to the folks, White Toes. He's happy. But yeah, I have to say I haven't done a lot of welding lately, so they're probably wondering how come I haven't been there every week or so buying another tank of welding gas. But we'll get something done tonight. But thanks for coming by, and let's see what trouble we can get into. There, we got this filler panel welded in there to close up the gap, like we have on that side that we have to close up. But yeah, that helps stiffen that pillar up quite a bit. I got asked in the comments, I can't remember who asked, about those braces that I had to cut out and what the purpose of them was. Basically, when we started out with a 2-door hardtop, you know, the post ended here. You didn't have a post going all the way up to the roof. So they put those braces in to stiffen up this pillar for the doors, otherwise they could be floppy. But yeah, it kind of came out, curled back, and then there was a brace that went along the floor that they tied into, and that stiffened up the sides just so they didn't, you know, flop because they weren't attached to the roof. But we'll make up some more pieces because we got to finish closing up that hole, and we got to make up some pieces for the other side. But let's see what we can get done. So this side is all closed up, welded up. All we got to do is grind our welds and put a little coat of fiberglass on things to seal it up. We don't have to be super fancy because this is all hidden behind the interior panels. So yeah, picking them up and putting them down. We'll start working on the other side. I'll bring you back when I get a little further. There, we've got this side just about closed in. We got a little more work to do at the bottom there. We fixed our hole up there. We just got that hole there to fix. But she's stiffening up pretty good. I knew I had to, because the hardtop has a bit there that swoops out, you know, and the window goes in there, and I had to do the same thing on both sides, where I had to push it in, pound it down, flatten it out a little bit so I'd be able to put the interior card on there. But there's that, I guess. We'll see what other trouble I can get into. So we're pretty much out of welding gas, running on more or less fumes, so I'm gonna have to pick up a new bottle in the morning to do any more welding. We've got all those welded seams that we got to grind and put some fiberglass to them. So we got that coming up. Got to finish that wheel well. We're running out of stuff to do. Well, before we have to start doing mechanical stuff. Want to shake my hand? Yeah. How you doing, buddy? But we're looking at weather kind of turning a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't double back to bite us, but if it keeps going the way it's going, I've got some more pieces outside that maybe will unbury themselves from the snowbank, so I can bring them in here, and because we've got the hood we've got to do, and hey buddy, we've got the inner fender wells for the front we got to do. But so yeah, more excitement coming up if you stick with me. Hoping to keep earning your business. I appreciate everybody stopping by and watching me screw around in here. Some days are more exciting than others, I'm sure. It was pretty neat back in the early days when we were doing great gobs of stuff, cutting roofs off and cutting quarters off and mashing the tailgate together and all that stuff. But it's sort of like framing up a house or something, you know. You seem like you're getting somewhere when you can. I framed up this garage in like a couple of days, you know, and then it took like a month to do all the finish work after that. So it's kind of like this. We framed it up, now we're doing the finish work. But I appreciate you hanging out with me and the boys. One boy here tonight, but appreciate you hanging out with me, and I hope you come back for the next one. Till then, take care everybody. We'll see you on the next one, I hope.